My name is Michel Sadelain. I'm a researcher, medical researcher in New York City, where I direct the Center for Cell Engineering at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Several decades ago, we formed the idea that we could perhaps help our immune system by instructing T cells, providing a genetic instruction to tell them what cancer cell to recognize and then to go on to eliminate those cancer cells. And this is what CAR therapy is about. And the CAR molecule that is provided to those T cells now will guide the T cells once they are reinfused into the patient to the tumor site. And upon binding of the modified T cell to the tumor cell, it initiates a program in those T cells that should lead to the destruction of the tumor cells. And today there are 4 CAR therapies approved by the US FDA, also approved in Canada and in Europe and other countries, that are available to patients with refractory B-cell malignancies. But the concept is applicable to a broad range of cancers, and today it's really wonderful to see so many labs around the world seeking to adapt this approach to other cancers.
What I did, actually, I modified these T cells by engineering their receptors so that they will recognize the tumor. So we engineer the cells out of the body, the immune cells, then we put them back into the patients, and this cell will recognize the malignant cells as foreign or as different. And then what they will do what they know. They have the mechanism to reject, eliminate, and this actually has been done. I myself working on it for more than 20 years. So we started it in 1986, working on it with a group of students. When I heard that it really can cure patients, I was happy, the happiest man in the world. However, I knew it should work. And I believe the knowledge that accumulates and the researchers all over the world will contribute to it. And so our small beginning that took so long time to accomplish has a future for the patients. And that's what we do.
The Canada Gairdner International Award is one of the most prestigious science prizes in the world. It's not just a personal recognition, it also signifies to many of us who pursued this approach for many years in the days where there were many who didn't believe that it could ever succeed. It is a sort of a validation of all of these efforts by so many.